I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on this Monday evening. We are recording this extremely later than usual, so I apologize for that. It's about 7 o'clock as we record this webcast, but we do have some updates for you as far as rain potential goes and some much warmer temperatures on the way as well across the region. So let's get to it first, and I'm going to bounce over to our Window World X-Vision Skycam. And hey, it's already 7 o'clock and we're seeing some daylight. You know, we're getting close to the summer months when we're still staying pretty bright outside in the mid-evening hours, but very gloomy in downtown Galesburg this evening. Same thing in Pontiac. We're really not seeing any breaks in those clouds as of yet. And same thing from East Peoria looking downtown. Rain that we had earlier on today now moving off towards the east. We did pick up about just over a quarter of an inch of precipitation out at the Peoria International Airport over the last 24 hours. A little less than that over in the Twin Cities. Wasn't a substantial rain, but hey, some much-needed rain nonetheless. And, of course, we had the rain yesterday as well. Some strong storms now developing into central Kansas, into the panhandle of Texas, over towards Lubbock. And that's stretching down all the way close to San Angelo, Texas. We'll keep an eye on this system. This will be our next weather maker over the next couple of days. Actually, what you're going to be looking at first with rain chances, what's stretching into eastern Oklahoma and into Arkansas. That's a warm front that will continue to push off to the north, so that will be our rain chance tomorrow. Temperatures aren't going to fall off all that much more this evening. The clouds will play a factor in that, plus that warm front sliding through. So we should be in for a fairly mild night. Good night to have those windows open. It's 58 in the 7 o'clock hour in Peoria, 60 in Bloomington. Here's your temperatures across the Midwest. 61 in Chicago, 64 Indy, 73 in Springfield. Is 80 right now in Tulsa, and those warm temperatures are heading our direction as we head this week. Here's the watch warning map, severe thunderstorm watch boxes for southern Indiana and most of western Ohio and central Kentucky. Tornado watch box in effect for Kansas and Oklahoma. That's the box in yellow. Also a few severe thunderstorm watch boxes in Texas. A few tornado warnings right now in southern portions of Kansas. Currently right now. That is a tornado warning, goes until 7:15, so some rough weather out in the plains. This is the height of their tornado season in the high central plains. Here's the setup as we roll over the next several days, and this is a very warm and very active setup with a warm front pushing through, cold front to our west, low straight to the north. That tells us the temperatures are going to surge quite quickly and a much more unstable air mass, which means we'll have daily chances for showers and thunderstorms. We're not going to see steady rain like we had early on today, but rain chances there nonetheless as we roll through really much of this week. Our high-resolution model doing a pretty good job of picking up on the rain. Overnight, we should be dry. Most of Tuesday morning should be dry. Clouds will build with some daytime heating, a few showers and storms flaring up. Same thing will go late tomorrow night. Wednesday, same thing goes. We'll have some daytime heating, maybe a few thunderstorms flaring up, some severe weather possible from along I-80 and north and northwest. And then again, Thursday, chances for rain, and same thing will go for Friday as well. Going back to that severe weather potential, could see some heightened enhanced chances for some supercells with the possibility of tornadoes into Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and Wisconsin. I don't think that threat is going to scoot as far southeast as central Illinois, although that is still a couple days out, so maybe a few shifts in the models could change that, so we'll certainly keep you updated on that. Long-range pattern, again, jet stream well to our north. Mild temperatures will return. In fact, warm temperatures return. We're back to the 80s through the midweek, and that means also a very stormy pattern over the next several days. In fact, what we have by our forecast models, mid-70s by Tuesday, mid-80s on Wednesday, around 80 on Thursday, and into the upper 70s on Friday. And we're going to stay in that upper 70, low 80 range, it looks like, for the start of the weekend. So much more of a late spring, early summer-like pattern. And again, some much-needed rain on the way across central Illinois this week. That'll do it for your weather webcast on this Monday evening. We'll have updates on our blog. Make sure you check that out on our ciproud.com/weather page. You'll see a link to that weather blog. It is new and improved. Lots of good information there. We'll also have updates on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And hopefully you'll join us tonight for WMBD 31 News at 10 for more updates. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Monday evening.